welcome back. So my base is all done and you can find all the details in the description box below. For today's video, I literally have like 10 minutes. I need to be out of the house in like 15 minutes. So let's get this video rolling.
From my favorite palette and the palette of the week, that is ABH Modern Renaissance palette. First, I'm taking the shade Tempera on the blending brush to set the eye primer and to create a smooth base for other colors to glide on smoothly. Second, I'm taking the shade Burnt Orange on the same blending brush and just putting it as a transition color. After that, I'm taking the shade Raw Sienna and putting it over the transition color to create a more darker transition color. Take the shade Relgar on a small blending brush like Morphe G10 or the blending brush that came with the palette. First, place the shade in the outer V only. Just place it very lightly and then wiggle the brush very lightly so you can dispose the color everywhere in the outer V, and then go ahead with the windshield wiper motion very lightly so that you get the color in your crease as well. Now take the small flat brush or any pencil brush and place the color Relgar in the inner side of the eye. You can notice that I started with the lighter colors first and worked my way up to the darker colors. I understand it takes a little bit of time, but the end result is so much better than just starting with the darker colors and working your way like towards the lighter colors. Now it's time to fill the empty space in the lid. For that, I'm taking the shade Primavera from the palette, and for this step I am going to wet my brush first with the MAC Fix Plus, and for this step you can use any MAC Fix Plus or Urban Decay All Nighter spray or anything you like. You just have to have a wet brush. I mean, that's what my choice is, because this step makes the shimmery eyeshadows more shimmery and shiny and more pigmented. I'm using a flat brush and just pressing the color in the center of the eyelid and going high up to where my eyelid starts to fold. Now take a little bit of the Relgar and go around the edges of the shimmery shades so the transition can look as smooth as possible. I used NYX Epic Ink eyeliner to create a small winged eyeliner and tightline my upper waterline and half lower waterline with Julep Gel Eye Glider. And really, I swear by this Julep eye pencil because I tried this Julep eye pencil in the humid atmosphere, the cold weather, and it never betrayed me. My eyes are so watery, but it never seems to run out. Please do give it a try if you can get your hands on this Julep Eye Glider. Now I'm quickly going to coat the top lashes with Urban Decay's Perversion Mascara in black. I am actually going to the town with this because I am not going to wear any falsies later. I don't have time to put falsies today, so I'm not going to put any falsies. I'm going to skip on them. That's why I am putting the shitload of mascara on my lashes. Then, as always, I'm going to highlight the high points of my face with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 25. Set the face with Kick-Ass Soap & Glory's pressed powder. Now I'm just going to bronze my face and not contour it with Hoola bronzer. For the blush, I used the L'Oreal Infallible Paint 230 blush palette. I have been testing this palette out for quite some time now. I believe they are quite not what they look like in the palette. That means they are not as pigmented, they don't even stay on the cheeks, they just vanish somewhere. So my advice, do not invest in this palette. The highlighter I used is the Laura Geller highlighter in the shade Gilded Honey. Very, 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 very lightly, because it was a daytime event and I didn't want to look like glowing ball. Then I put some lipstick by Terry. I don't remember the name of the lipstick shade, so I'm going to leave the lipstick shade in the description box below so you can go and check it out. After that, to finish it off, I put some black bindi and then sprayed my face really heavily with MAC Prep and Prime Spray to make my makeup last all day long. And with that being said, guys, this is my finished look, and I wanted to do this look on my channel for so long time, because this is very Indian subtle daytime. Of course you can play around with the lips, but it's a daytime plus nighttime kind of look when you are going to some very light Indian party or mandir type of event or something like that. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing my channel and press that notification bell. Do give me a follow on all my social media accounts, and the details are going to be in the description box below. And with this, I will take your leave and see you tomorrow with something new on my channel. Till then, bye bye.